Tasty Light Restaurant. Do you have still any reservations?
None?
May I suggest a table for you?
Yes, please.
How many people, please?
Only for one person.
Do you prefer a non-smoking area?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir, this way, please. Okay, sir.
Yes.
This way, sir. This way.
Okay, thank you.
May I now lay down your napkin, sir?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Do you want water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. This is our menu for your selection. Please call my attention if you are ready to order, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me. Yes, sir. May I now take down your order, please?
May I have one order of croissant and one order of strawberry latte.
Your order is 1% and 1 strawberry latte. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
May I can get the menu, please? The food will be served in 10 minutes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your order. 1 strawberry latte and 1%. Enjoy your food, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill, please.
One, thank you.
I received 1,000 pesos, sir. Excuse me. Coming to Tasty Lights Restaurant. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you.